What's going on, guys? Jonah here. Today is a little bit different type of a video. I'm actually going to react to a specific quote from another Honda Goldwing YouTuber that really resonated with me the other day. Before we get into the video, guys, go ahead, please subscribe. We're so close to being able to make money off of YouTube. And once we do, every penny is going to be going to save for a GL1000. We're gonna make so much content about it. It's gonna be absolutely incredible. It's my dream bike, and it's the only way I can really justify it is to do it for you guys for the YouTube channel. I also have some merch, some really cool Honda Goldwing designs. Those will be in the description below. The YouTuber, his name is Cruiseman's Garage. I don't know a ton about him. I do know he rides a brand new GL 2018, which is what I call it. I actually don't know what the consensus is, because the 2018 Goldwing was the remodeled Goldwing. You know, for 2017 and 2018 was the big remodel year. And it's still 1800 and like 6 cc's or something. So I just call it the GL 2018. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna play the clip of what he said in his video right here.
Past year, back in January, I lost my best friend of 60 years. He and I were roughly the same age. And I think you get to an age where you realize you don't want to put things off. If there's things you want to do, things you want to experience, you'd better do it because you may not have. Time is not on your side. Time is not your friend. I had the ability to do this. It's something I just decided I wanted to do. I didn't want to put off.
And I don't know what you guys think about that. It was really fascinating because when I was watching the video, I read some of the comments. Some of the comments said, well, basically, just to give you a quick rundown, what Cruiseman's Garage did, he traded in his 2024 Goldwing for a 2026. And there were a lot of comments in the comment section below that probably didn't watch the whole video. And they were saying, wow, imagine trading in your bike for a couple cosmetic or like electronic fixes, or for better Apple CarPlay. Imagine trading in your bike for better Apple CarPlay. And I was almost thinking the same thing at first. I was like, wow, imagine trading in your 2024 for 2026. Because for me, I'm having a hard time justifying trading in my 98 for a 2008. And the jump in technology and niceness would be absolutely incredible. Like a 2008 Goldwing looks so much more modern and has so many more modern features than a 98 does. And I'm having a hard time justifying that. But what he said in this video really resonated with me, where he was like, hey, you know what? You know, I don't know anything about his backstory. I don't know if he's married. I don't know if he's in his 50s or 40s or 60s or anything, because I try not to judge. But he said in this video that basically how I saw it was like, hey, life is short. He was able to upgrade Goldwings. This is what he likes to do. So he wanted to do it. And he just did it. About a month ago, I made a video about reasons to upgrade motorcycles. And in the video, I said a lot of things about real reasons to get a Goldwing. And at the end, my final reason was you want to upgrade just because you want to upgrade. Like he said, he was able to do it responsibly. He's doing it for the channel. And it's interesting. It's like me and him, basically all over our channel, all of our videos are about Goldwings. But the content is so different and in so many different ways. He has the very newest Goldwing. So when people comment and people talk about, hey, should I get a new Goldwing? He knows exactly what to do. He knows all of the differences from these tiny little year changes, and he is doing exactly what he needs to do to be successful. And I think his mentality of, hey, life is short. I was able to get a new Goldwing, so I got a new Goldwing. And I think that's a beautiful sentiment, because a lot of times, guys, life is really short. And I'm not saying don't go into debt for a motorcycle, but also don't push it back forever. My mom, she wanted to get a motorcycle for like 10 years or something, maybe even longer than that. She finally got one, the Honda Rebel 500 that I've reviewed, that's hers. She finally got one about 1.5 years ago, and I couldn't be prouder of her. I'm gonna do a video with her one of these days talking about it, but she even had to take the MSF twice. But guys, life is short, and if you want that bike, if you want to upgrade bikes, and you can do so responsibly, you know, your spouse is okay with it and everything, go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna say I don't regret anything I made in that other video talking about legitimate reasons to upgrade, but at the end of the day, guys, this is ride your own ride, enjoy life, get the bike that you want, and just go ride. That being said, of course, grass is not always greener on the other side, and try your very best. Like, if I was just depressed and sad because I have a 98 and I wish I had a 2008, I wouldn't be having any fun. Embrace what you have. If your bike is running and it takes you where you need to go, every time you hop on that bike, just think to yourself, man, it is pretty freaking awesome that I have a motorcycle, because I wanted a Goldwing for a long time and I finally got one. So thank you guys for watching. I know this was a little bit different of a video. Shout out to Cruiseman's Garage for all the videos he does. I'll leave a link in the description to that video below. He makes, most of his videos are about new Goldwings, accessories, helmets, stuff like that. He does awesome content. He's also at almost 100,000 subscribers, which is freaking awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you in the next one.